Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Top 3. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Yes, these are very highly impossible, but I don't know how to solve them. So you have to have it like this, and you have to do the same two moves over and over again. But if you want, and if you do not know how to solve it, and you want to have the quick way, there's an app called Solve It, which is free, and it can show you how to solve it. You should go check that out in the App Store. So here, let's get started. All the two moves is moving one up, and one to the left. The same moves over and over again. It will work. See? So I'm gonna get the time lapse, and I'll see you guys at the end of it. Just like that, we have the full Rubik's Cube. So thanks for watching. Remember, the app is called Solve It, with a man holding a Rubik's Cube like this. Something dumb. But yeah, it's a really cool app. You can use it, and I'll see you guys later. Adios.